What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mair. Today I'm sharing the best whole potato buttery recipe with you guys. Buttery, I mean we will coat it with butter and some oil and some herbs, and we're not gonna cut the potato, but we're gonna make cuts in the potato. So let's go straight into the video. So here's our potato. We will take a knife and we will make cuts. Not all the way deep, I would say just 90% cuts, just like that. As I said, we will make 90% deep cuts, just like that. It's okay if you cut all the way in, like here I did it, but they will stick together. So 90% cuts. So they should look like this. Can you guys see that? The cuts. Alright, let's move to the next part. Now guys, we will make a sauce, oil based, a butter based sauce to brush these potatoes right on top. So let's go, let's do that. We will add oil in the pan and we will add some thyme. You can use fresh thyme in there as well. So this is the thyme I'm using dry thyme. You can use fresh thyme in there as well. And guys, then we will use whole big chunk of butter. That's how we will use it. We will break it and put it just right there. So as soon as this butter melts, we will take this sauce, the buttery sauce with the thyme, and we will rub on our potatoes. So it's almost done. Okay, so our buttery sauce is ready. Now friends, we will take a butter paper and put it in our baking tray. Butter paper, or you can call it a wax paper. Place it just right there in the bottom. Take your potatoes, place it right there, and this is the big one is kind of a broken one. See, I was telling you guys, so it doesn't matter, it's gonna stick. We'll put it on the side so it doesn't break all the way. So now friends, we will take a brush and we will brush these potatoes just gently. You don't have to go all the way in, because the cuts, they're gonna take the oil, the butter in them by itself. And if it doesn't go, you have to a little bit help the potato to take the butter in. So this is the initial part. We will redo this process once we put the potatoes in the baking for at least for 20 minutes. As this is the big guy, so it's trying to open itself. So now friends, the initial thing, we will bake these potatoes at 450 degrees for 20 minutes, and then we will move on to the next part. It's been 25 minutes. Let's take out our potatoes, the Hasselback potatoes. Wow, the shape is awesome. Don't go away, you're not done yet. Don't go away. This is just half of the pot. So now guys, we will put some table salt right on top, and we will add our secret, the very secret ingredient. This is called paprika. So we will add some paprika. Potatoes by itself, they are blend, you know, so you have to give it a little bit, you know, kick, the taste, the touch. And here I have the white pepper powder, or you can use the black pepper powder in there as well. So we will put a pinch of pepper powder right on top. As I mentioned actually earlier, these are the buttery ones. So we will take our butter sauce, and again we will just drop some butter sauce right on top. So now is the time guys, now is the perfect time that they will pick up the whole taste with the salt, with the pepper. with the paprika, and we need another 15 to 20 minutes. I would say 15 minutes because 450 is a high temperature for our oven. So here you go, the basics are done. We will put this on the side, and I will see you guys in another 20 minutes. So this is after 40 minutes, guys. These are all done. Now we will serve it, we will dress it, and we will make it super nice. So here we will pick them up carefully. Wow, they are soft and they are crispy too, and we will place it right here. Okay, so you are the smallest guy, you will go all the way at the end. You are the medium guy, you will go all here, and the big guy, yeah, it's been roasted, so it's supposed to be like this, you know. Come on, don't break on me. And we will set it right here. We'll put it together just like that. Sprinkle some greens right on top. You have to make the food presentable. Even if it's for you, you have to do that. So you will enjoy the food more by doing that. And we will put a butter right on top. Place some more greens. As you guys can see, the butter is kind of melting, and this is, guys, homemade jalapeno yogurt, so we will just sprinkle a little bit right on top. Guys, moment of truth. Here we will take the first bite. Wow, the butter, the sauce, the paprika. Amazing. Wow. So hopefully you enjoyed this beautiful Hasselback potato recipe. It's buttery, it has a pinch of spice, but it's super yummy. It is for your dinner table, and it is for my dinner table. Do serve this recipe just by itself, or with the steak, or with this chicken, but it's wonderful and delicious. I'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, take care. Bye now.